Very nice. Yours is pretty, mine is ugly, so what? Come on in.
Take off flaps.
Sounds like a damn chainsaw.
That's what it is.
He's coming in. There you go. There you go. I know, it's perfect. And it might stay this way the whole day.
Damn. It just might. One way is clear. All right.
Yeah. Let the hot go and then we'll go. Said let the hot go and then we'll go. No, no, no. I said let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Come on, man. Let's go.
Ready?
Gear up. Flaps up.
Sure.
Timer cleared.
For the guys that are speed jockeys here.
All right. Let
Shit.
me
You
turn
gotta-
first.
So let me know when you're ready.
Oh, not really.
He's got to get trimmed out. You good now?
And then I'm gonna come back down.
Which way?
Yeah.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
There you are.
This is really out of trim.
Yeah, it's been sitting a long time. I'm just saying.
It is really touchy. I need to dial down the rates too.
What do you mess with everything? I mean, I thought
No, I just haven't flown it and I feel like it's...
you're just out of sorts. Sheesh. Should be the same. It shouldn't change. Go. Fast. Go.
Turn.
Time remaining
Go.
1 minute.
What are we gonna do? You just talk me through it.
Yeah, go up and turn. Oh shit! Woo! That was close.
It's alright, we're good.
Downwind.
Go.
Low pass, right to left.
30
Well, we're gonna piss off Burning Man. We gotta stop. He's gonna get mad.
That was sweet, right?
Thank you. I want to come like real low though.
Okay.
One more pass.
Well, just tell me. It's always easier for me to follow.
10,
Tell me what you're
9,
doing. I got time.
8,
I forgot to reset it.
7,
Low, fast pass.
5,
We'll be
Left to
clear.
right.
Go.
Going
2,
now.
Go.
1. Time expired.
Turn. Just gonna keep
Stay on it.
Yeah.
All right, I am. I gotta try to catch you. We're catching Robert though, so look out. We can get around him.
Go up. And
Sorry.
Turn. And
Come back.
yeah.
All right. I'll get on you.
No pass. Right to left.
Landing.
Gear down. 1 minute over. Landing flaps.
Coming in right behind you.
This nose wheel is like gone to crap.
Landing.
Yeah, there's something when this plane felt weird.
Yeah, you haven't flown it.
Flaps.
Taxiing back.
Look at that. That just is
You're clear. Come on, come on. You're clear.
Look at that. It
I know. Mine does the same thing.
Wibble wobbles all over the dang place. Robert might be mad at us.
He'll get over it.